Ja, mijn hart klopt nog. Check out. Yay!
Is it possible for someone like me to learn how to spin?
You know, if you know the basics of a car, if you can drive, you can keep the steering straight. Spinning is not keeping it straight, keeping it sideways. So if you can drive a car, you can do what you must do.
Well, let's get inside and let's see what this is all about.
Nah,
Come on.
let's do it.
Here we go.
The more acceleration you give on it, it makes so it can slip. Both wheels can
Yes,
turn.
yeah. So
But
you want to
if
get
you
the...
slow, the one is pushing and the other one is like pulling.
Yeah.
So it does that. So the car won't be able to move unless you give acceleration on it. Right? Yeah. Bum 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 bum.
I need to get used to that. Is it in?
Yeah. Full lock, full lock. Yeah, right. Bum 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 bum.
Ja man! Ja man! That's the what's up! That's what's up! That's what's up! That's good. Yeah. Woo! That is amazing!